Hey, good morning, everybody. Well, I hope you guys are having a good morning. This morning, when I was trying to start my car to go to work, it sounded like the car's battery wasn't wasn't good anymore. So, and then I thought that I had to just jump the car. So I moved my Rav and had and then I had my wife sit in the car, and as I pushed it out, and then as the car was rolling back, she said that the car didn't have any brakes at all. Like she had the window down. And yeah, she said that the brake car didn't have any brakes. She couldn't do anything. The car just seemed like it just locked up. So yeah, it just rolled back and it didn't stop until it hit a pole. So that is how it is here. She had to go to work, but I got somebody coming in to help me jump start it. Hopefully, it just takes a jump start, but hopefully it's not too bad. It just sucks that had happened. Had to go to work, but yeah, we'll see what is wrong with it. Good thing I didn't have the car at drive height. I had it at a higher setting so they could clear all this right here. But yeah, it just rolled straight from there all the way right here. But I guess I will jump it and jack it up and assess the damage. Alright, so I cleaned up the damage a little bit, and it looks like majority of the damage is the quarter panel here. Thankfully, it did not do anything to these $800 tail lights, because that would have been really sad. But yeah, I think this on right here, and some stuff right here. One little one here. Hopefully, they're able to repair it. Any shop that I do take it to, and then I'll just peel everything, I guess, and just dip the car all over again. So yeah, it has all this damage here, but I think it's just mainly going to be this is just all dip right here that's damaged. So once I peel it off, I'll be able to tell. But I talked to one paintless dent repair, and they said that I'll have to peel off the dip so that they can get a better look at how everything's going to be. But yeah, that's the damage that happened, and it's unfortunate, but you know, everybody's okay, and the car doesn't seem like it's in too bad of a shape. So I'll keep you guys updated. I gotta take this to shops, or probably like more than one, just to get different quotes. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, and also anything down here, all the suspension parts, everything looks like it's all intact, and nothing has been bent. So that's good. Hey guys, it's been a couple days, and I got a couple quotes from some repair shops. One paintless dent repair said that he's going to charge about $800, and then another collision place said that they are going to charge about $2,200. That's going to be to pull the dent and paint and blend it with that area. The paintless dent repair said that he can get it to about 80 to 90% back to normal. Since it got kind of close to the outer frame, like where the taillight is. Over here, he said that he's not sure until he actually does it to see how it will look like at the end. But I don't know. I have a couple car show organizers who reached out and said, or asked if I will still attend the shows. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go or not, because I don't want to show the car in this state right here. It's really not show worthy. Um, I would I would say that cars that entered into the car show, they should be pretty much, at least, worth attending and worth the price of admission that other people pay. But I don't know. I might just for fun, I might just do like a little half and half, just peel half of it and then leave the other half, well, do like this side, the OEM color, and just leave the dip on that side until I get it, get the dent over here fixed. But yeah, yeah, I'm going to be peeling off the whole car soon, so that would just be something just for fun. But yeah, I will be peeling off the whole car, and I will be painting the car a whole different color. I will probably stay away from this color for a little bit. I want to try something new. I want to try a color that I haven't tried yet. So, and I don't even know what color that's going to be. So I'll have to mix some custom colors up like I always do. And of course, you guys will see me do that and spray it and everything. So yeah, stay tuned. So I guess I will still be keeping the dip on and attending some car shows. You know, I said before that I don't go to car shows to win trophies or anything. I just go to support and see other people's builds. So yeah, I had some unexpected things that needed my funds, so I decided that I'll just keep the dip on for now and probably fix the dent down the road here. So yeah, I'll just be keeping the dip on, and today I am going to a car show that is all for Toyota, Lexus, and Scions, and that should be pretty fun. Haven't been to one of these for a while now. But yeah, let's go and check out the builds that other people have. I don't think that it's going to be too busy today because there are other bigger shows that are happening too. But it should be, hopefully we see some quality builds. It should still be pretty nice. So let's go. So I am here at the car show now, and I guess I was wrong. The quality of cars are pretty good. Yeah, I'll be quiet now, and I will show you guys all the cars that have showed up. I don't think that everybody's here yet, but I'll show you guys throughout the day, and just let me know what you guys think about the cars here. enjoyed the little content that I was able to get. I didn't shoot that much because I was just busy talking to other people. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I know that this video is sort of all over the place, but then I guess a lot just has been going on. But the next video I put out, it will be me peeling the car and getting it ready for its new color, hopefully. But yeah, and I noticed that I am at about 120 subscribers now, and it might not seem a lot, but I'm thankful for every one of you for subscribing and everybody who is watching my videos. It gives me motivation to keep on making videos. Yeah, at the car show I was able to win Best Lexus, so that's always a plus as well. If you're watching this and you were at the show, thank you for voting for me. You know, despite everything that the car has been through, and the car is not in the best shape, especially with the dent on the side. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.